So this package came in the mail today. Wanted to share it with you guys. We were sent an email about 2 or 3 weeks ago. We had a management change in upper management, and they wanted to reward the staff with the hard work over the last couple of years for, just making things run as smoothly as they possibly could, considering limitations, COVID, et cetera. And when the management changed, they sent out this nice letter and also had us choose a gift, and that gift arrived today. A lot of the other gifts were North Face jackets, like pullovers, a couple of backpacks that you could choose from. I already had that kind of stuff. What I didn't have was a lunchbox that I really liked. And these were Eddie Bauer Max Cold 24 can coolers that have the straps on the top for your thermos. So, and they're also branded with Norfolk Southern on the front. Really, really nice gift. Really appreciate that. And if you guys remember, I was carrying my utility bag and the huge NS bag, duffel bag that they had given us to go from my home terminal to the away terminal when I'm taking road trains. I found out over the last couple of weeks that it's really not necessary to have that much stuff with you. And I've pared down significantly. So look for an updated what's in the bag video coming up here shortly. But this is just one of the gifts they sent out, and I appreciate it. So just wanted to let you guys know that that arrived today, and that's something that happens when they make changes, or occasionally throughout the year, they'll just give, random gifts, or you'll get an allowance for more PPE or things like that. The company does try to take care of you the best they can outside of just cash.